Hello friend, welcome back. Generally we used to do a lot of exploratory testing, or you can say basic testing, basic functionality testing whenever we used to get a build. Like for an example, on this page we will do a lot of testing when we used to get the build, like basic functionality testing, whether in this user email, whether it just accept the email or it can accept the invalid email IDs as well. Password field, whether it can accept the strong password or even the blank or one character value also it is accepting. Like mobile number field, will it accept only mobile number only numerics, or it can accept the alphabets as well. So these kind of basic check we used to do, and that used to take a lot of time, and we waste enough amount of time for such kind of basic testing, rather than like we could utilize that time to do real scenarios, like functionality based, or the scenarios which are the actual user use case for our application, which we really know about our core application. So to save time to do this basic exploratory testing, here we have this tool, Exploratory Tester. What it will do, before you start your testing, it will automatically do the basic testing for you. Like these kind of fields check, image load, any API call is failing, basic check for each and everything, covering many scenarios. Like in fact more than 20 type of scenarios it will cover, and then it will show you the result just in few seconds, like just in 1 or 2 seconds hardly. So here you just open this page, Exploratory Tester, and this is available as a free browser extension, and it has like more than 20 automated test scenarios which cover all these kind of basic functionality check. You can see all the features here. Like it basically auto run on your whenever the page load, and it smartly take the screenshot, highlight the like in the screenshot it will highlight where the issue is. You can export the report and all those things, you can do it here. Like these are some of the like these are the checks: form and input fields like spelling mistake, email validation, phone number format, required field, password, input field, number field status, form submission, date fields. All these checks it will do. UI content like button functionality, links check, image check, error messages, page loading, performance and network like API and network monitoring, resource loading. So all these kind of basic check it will complete, so that you can focus on actual scenario based testing for your application and avoid wasting time in the very basic checks. So very simple utility, you can just add to Chrome. It is also available for other browser like for Edge and all. We will add support for other browsers as well. In Edge store it is already available, so you can click on add to Chrome, add extension. Once you will add the extension, the logo will appear here, but by default it will not appear, always remain on top. You will have to pin it to toolbar. So you click on this extension, default Chrome extension logo, and then click on pin, and now the logo is here always. Now if you will open any page, it will automatically test that page. Once the page will, this URL will load, it will do the exploratory testing for all the fields in this particular page. So you see that it is taking the screenshot, it is doing every kind of testing. Basically not every kind of testing, basically it is covering all the scenarios which are there in this particular tool. So here you click, and at the first opening you will see it will show this kind of pop-up. So you have to scroll, and like you can see that it is basically letting you know that uh, it will run on all the websites. So if you want to whitelist any particular website where you want to use this tool only on that particular website, then you use it in that website only, otherwise it will be running on all. So you don't want basically to run on all the websites, so just you can whitelist only that website where you want to test. So that is the like guide here it is showing, and then few information. You can say don't show it again, go to, and here under settings basically you can whitelist only your website. Anyways, I will show that setting later. So here you see that results, screenshot, settings, all 36 test case has been covered. 19 pass, 13 error, 4 warnings, and you can see all of them has been covered. Here it has filter. If you click on 19, it will show all the past test case. If you click on 13, it will show only the errors like checkbox, radio button, email field validation, password input validation. So here if you click email validation not working. So in like if you click on inspect, it will basically highlight and scroll that element to the viewable area, and here you can see that this is the field. Similarly, like for the password field, if let's say password is hidden somewhere, so this is the password allows sort password. You click on this and it will see this. Now if you look at these errors, so checkbox has no label. If you click on inspect, sorry, it will scroll down, so it has no label, so it has highlighted. If you feel that this is okay, then you can ignore that, no problem. Under warnings, you can see that input field status. So if you click on this, input is read only. You click on this is read only. It found that there's a read only field in with this particular input, and you can see that input is disabled. Click on inspect. This input is disabled. Like if you click on this, you cannot type in this. So this is like there's a warning. If you have knowingly kept it disabled, then it's fine. If you feel that no, this is a bug, then you can report a bug. Like in our case, we have knowingly kept it disabled. Like you cannot type without clicking on this edit button. If you click, and then you can type it. So this is a feature for our application, but if you feel that there is an error, then it has highlighted that. So these kind of the issues you will find, it will automatically find like input placeholder. Input has no placeholder. Click on inspect, it will show you which is the field. You see that there is no placeholder. So there should always be a placeholder, which is always recommended, but yeah, it's up to you, like whether you want to have it or not. So this will highlight this such kind of issues. If you want to see the screenshot, it will take those screenshots as well. Like you can see that this is for the email validation field. It has taken and highlighted that particular area. This is for password. It has taken and highlighted that area. So you can like if you want to download, you can download, you can copy the screenshot, and all those things you can do. So these all are the screenshot it has taken here. For the checkbox radio button, it has taken the screenshot. So it has all the screenshots here. Okay. So under results, you will find. And okay, under settings, there are lots of settings available. Like here, you can see that batch notification for errors, timeout. So by default, when you will run this, by default, when you open any website, it will automatically start running. And sometime if there's a DOM is like huge DOM and very heavy loaded website, it might be taking more time. And you don't want to run this tool for a long time. In that case, you can set timeouts here. So like for how long you want to run, like 30-second, 15-second, 60 seconds, or 2 minutes, or no limit. So you can decide, like you can choose from here for how long this tool should run. So that way it will be easy for you, like it will not keep on running forever. Okay. Then there are more options available here, like test coverage. So you see that by default it covers all these 20 tests. So if you don't want to run all of those 20 test case, so in that case you can uncheck. So whichever test cases you don't want to cover, that you can uncheck from here. Like let's say you don't want to check for email validation field and phone number. Okay, two we have unchecked. Now if we close this, save, no save is required, or by default it will automatically save. Now if we'll refresh the page, so you see that it will again cover all these scenarios. And when you will click on this here logo, so you will find that like it has covered 18 out of 20. And under errors, so you see that email check is not there. So it has not covered that particular test case which we have unchecked from here. Okay, email and phone number, so these two has not been covered. So whichever test case you want, you can do that as well. You have dark theme options as well. By default it will be light, so if you want, you can choose the theme as well. By default it run for all the URLs for all the application. And let's say you don't want to run it always, you can keep it off. Now if you will open a website, any website, it will not run there. It will show it like in gray color. But if you want to run it again on this website or any website, let's say you open, if you want to run it there, you just click on this logo here and enable it. It will run it here. Okay, you can refresh the page and it will run. Once it is completed, it will show in green color if all the test cases passed. It will show in green here if there are any failure, then it will show in red color with the number of errors it has got. Like let's say for an example, we open the same practice page here. So you see that when it will be running, it will be showing this dot, blinking dot, and once it is completed, it will show in the red color like this. And if you click, and it will show the errors here. Okay, so here it will show the screenshot, total test case, pass, fail, everything it will show, and it will show in the batch this one. If you want to execute this again, you just click on this rerun test, and you see that it is checking, and it will show what it is running right now, and here it shows the total time it has taken. If you click on this, it will show which particular part has taken how much time, that you can see here. Total coverage, click for details. If you will see, click on this, you will find the total coverage for which element, which kind of test cases has how many number of test cases it has covered. So all those details here it will find. If you want to click right here, you can click and you can see the details here. If you want to click on fail past, you can see it right here. Then under setting, let me just show you guys how you can whitelist or blacklist. Let's say you want to run on all the website except some of the application, then in that case you can add like this, except. If you want to whitelist only on your website where you want to execute, then click on this, and here you can whitelist the website. Like let's say here you get the, right there you get this option, this site is not whitelisted. You click on this and it will automatically add it here. Okay, now we have added here, we have given some of the example, like in what format or what kind of URL you can add. So like let's say we have added this now, selectorshub.com/*, so it will cover all the pages of SelectorsHub website. Now if you open this page, it will run on this page. So you see it has started running and it has covered it. If you open another website, another home page, like let's say another page on selectorshub.com, once the page will load it successfully completed, then it will cover these. So it has covered. So this is how you can run the website, like these particular test case, this particular tool on all your pages on your desired website. You can add multiple URLs here. You can add, like you can add one more URL. So as many as you want, you can add them. So this is the exploratory tester, guys. I hope you will love this. It will really help you guys a lot to save your a lot of time on your day-to-day daily testing. For the basic testing and rest, you can of course do your like more testing, functionality testing in every kind of scenarios as per your business use cases you can cover, and there you can like give your time, and you can save whatever time you are giving today in basic testing, exploratory testing, and let it do automatically for you, and you get the report. Here you have option to download the report, like let's say on this page you want to download the report, you can download the report here. Okay, so let me just run it here on this page again. So here you have the details. Here you can download the report, like let's say you want to download the HTML report or in doc format or in PDF format, and you will get this .zip option when you will have the screenshots. So if you want to download all the screenshot, click on this. If you want to download only some particular screenshot, then you can click on download from here. Okay, so this is how you can download these kind of reports and the screenshot. So here you have the beautiful report which you can share it with your team or whomsoever it is required. Exploratory tester, we will keep on adding more and more feature. This is the very first release, we are just launching it. So please explore this tool, use this tool, save your time. If you feel any of the scenarios or something is missing in this tool, please do write to us at support@selectorshub.com, or you can reach out to on the live chat here. And if you like this tool and if you feel that it is adding value in your day-to-day testing and saving time, please give us a good rating here on Chrome Store. Give us a 5-star rating. That will really motivate us to add more and more feature, and we will keep on enhancing this tool like we have done for other tools like SelectorsHub, Check My Links, Test Case Studio, and all the tools under SelectorsHub umbrella. So it's our humble request that please do support, keep sharing this tool so others will get to know that this amazing tool is available out there for the basic software testing, and we will definitely keep improving this tool, and looking forward for your support. Thank you so much. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Also check out these awesome informative videos. and keep watching more videos on SelectorsHub channel. Thank you.